Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a NodeJS environment in WSL 2. Alright, to begin, let's download the NVM, which is the Node Version Manager, in order to properly control the Node versions for whenever there's a new version of Node coming out. But beforehand, let's download curl in case if you don't have curl, because we will need that in order to download NVM. So let's do sudo apt-get install curl. Alright, curl's already installed. And secondly, let's head over. Now we got that done. Let's head over to NVM install. Click on the NVM shell on the GitHub page. And copy the command for the download, whether it's wget or curl, but given that we're using curl, we're going to go with curl. Let's paste that. Afterwards, let's download the stable installation. Well, beforehand, let's make sure that this is already installed. If it doesn't come out, it's because you would have to close and reopen the terminal in order to make sure that it's actually installed. Let's just close this. All right, and now let's do. You see now it comes up as NVM, but you gotta input command-v version NVM. And now let's install the stable version of Node. Let's type it in NVM install Node. And now that Node is installed, which is version 23.2, we actually look for NodeJS. Oh, so it's not the long-term support version, but it's the current version, which is okay. I'd rather go with the stable, the latest. And now, oh, that's why it should have been NVM install LTS for long-term support. Now, if you want to go with the current, you'll go with the current, which is just NVM install Node. And if you want the long-term support, let's check for the lists of nodes versions that have been installed. And currently the default that we have is version 23.2. And also we can check out to see which one is the current one that's set. Also, the default current one is actually 22.11, which is the one that is installed. And now to finish up, well, let me just run Node so you can see that it's working. There we go, Node is there. Console, log, hello world. Right. To exit, it's Control-C. And that's pretty much it. All right, well, thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, type it down in your comments. And if you'd like to see another video, click here. And until next time, see you.